I'm a lucky leprechaun. My name is Lucky. I ain't got a ton of money. Just look at this.
Hey Lucky, check out this new chemical I made.
No! I am broke! It must be a bad look, Speck. Hi guys, have you ever watched the movie Luck? We watched it recently.
It's about balancing good luck and bad luck, and there, bad luck is portrayed as a purple speck. So we decided that we may as well try recreating it. Also because we have way too much luck, because of this guy right here.
I am a leprechaun.
It's actually pretty easy to make. All you need is some root killer that you can get from the gardening store, and some pool chlorine, specifically sodium dichloro-s-triazinetrione.
And it smells bad. Usually, purple is made with blue and red, not blue and white. How does this work?
Because it's science magic. Alright, now, should we start?
Yeah, baby!
So to start off, let's add water to each of the reagents. So you add this to here.
H2O! Oh my god, what is this shattering marble sound?
So all we're doing right now is just dissolving the two reagents so that they can react once they're mixed. And this thing right here is called a magnetic stir bar. Basically, this uses magnetism to spin the stir bar around so that it can stir the solution at very high speeds. I don't think I can do that.
Yeah, and I'm getting dizzy and hypnotized.
Okay, hypnotized.
So I'm made out. I think it's ready.
Yeah. So now our two solutions are ready. So all we have to do now is pour the solution in, and then we're going to get our
bad luck specs!
So, is everybody ready?
Yeah, baby!
Alright, here it goes.
What is that?
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yup. Mind blown. It's purple!
Isn't it cool, everybody? So before, we mixed our copper sulfate, which was blue, and we mixed our sodium dichloroisocyanurate, which was white. And when we put them together, we got this purple color, sodium copper dichloroisocyanurate, which is our
bad luck speck.
So, let's pour off the excess water and see what we got.
Yeah, baby!
And here's what we're left with.
A dark, bad luck speck. Ready to terrorize whoever touches.
So I hope you have fun, and please subscribe and like. And maybe next time, we're going to make good luck.
Subscribe, that teeth-chattering thumb. And chewing its thumbnails.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Just hope your dark bad luck specs don't terrorize you. I'm a lucky nose is itchy.
Ready? 1, 2.
My name is Lucky and
You keep singing it wrong. Do it again.